Have you ever considered the immense power of the sea and what it can do for your health? Welcome to our deep dive into the world of sea moss, an underappreciated gem of the ocean. This marine marvel, also known as Irish moss, is a type of red algae that grows along the rocky parts of the Atlantic coast of Europe and North America. Sea moss has been used for centuries in various forms, from a thickening agent in cooking to a natural remedy in folk medicine. But it's only recently that it has made a splash in the health and wellness community. The rising tide of popularity is due to its impressive nutritional profile and potential health benefits. It's no wonder that more and more people are incorporating sea moss into their daily routine, from smoothies to skincare. So, let's dive deep into the ocean of knowledge and discover the incredible benefits of sea moss. Have you ever considered a natural method to enhance your immune system? Consider sea moss, an extraordinary superfood, your solution. This marine plant is a treasure trove of necessary vitamins and antioxidants. 1. Picture sea moss as a microfactory, ceaselessly generating the nutrients your body requires to fortify its immune system. 2. But the benefits don't stop there. Sea also puts up a robust resistance against infections, offering your body an additional protective layer. 3. Imagine possessing a natural shield against diseases. That's what sea moss provides. Exhausted from continual digestive? Here's your deep dive into the sea of health benefits that sea moss offers, especially for your digestion. 1. Superfood is brimming with fiber, which is instrumental in encouraging healthy digestion. 2. It plays a significant role in the regulation of bowel movements, thus preventing constipation. 3. Sea moss helps in reducing bloating, giving you a sensation of lightness and overall health. 4. Additionally, the fiber in sea moss is beneficial in keeping a healthy gut by nurturing good bacteria and eliminating the bad. With sea moss, bid a firm farewell to your digestive troubles. Looking for a natural solution for your skin problems? Your search ends here with sea moss, nature's multivitamin powerhouse. This underwater gem is bursting with numerous benefits for the skin. Here are the top reasons you should consider it. 1. Packed with vitamins and minerals. Sea moss is rich in essential vitamins like vitamin A and E, and minerals like zinc, all of which are renowned for promoting skin health. 2. Combats acne and eczema. This natural powerhouse is known to fight common skin issues such as acne and eczema. 3. Soothes inflammation. It has properties that can soothe inflammation, bringing relief to irritated skin. 4. Stimulates collagen production. Sea moss can stimulate the production of collagen, contributing to a youthful and glowing skin. 5. Nourishes skin from the inside. Imagine a skincare routine that not only tackles surface-level issues, but also nourishes your skin from the inside out. Incorporate sea moss into your regimen today. It could be the secret ingredient to your skincare routine. Seeking a natural mood booster? Look no further than sea moss. This incredible superfood brings a wealth of benefits for enhancing mental health. 1. It is known for its rich content of magnesium and potassium, two essential minerals that play a key role in brain function. 2. These minerals assist in the transmission of nerve signals, contributing to the smooth operation of our nervous system. 3. They also help to balance our mood, creating a more stable emotional state. 4. In fact, deficiencies in these minerals been linked to mood disorders, so if you're striving for a healthier mind, consider adding sea moss to your daily routine. With 4 key benefits, sea moss could be a game changer for mental health. 1. Natural weight loss remedy. If you've been on the hunt for a natural solution to weight loss, your search might just end with sea moss. This marine superfood could be the answer you were seeking. 2. Rich in iodine. The secret of sea moss lies its generous iodine content. This essential mineral is crucial for the functioning of your metabolism. 3. Boosts metabolism. The iodine in sea moss has a hand in the transformation process of food, and drinks into energy in your body. With your metabolism boosted, you can burn calories more efficiently. 4. Assists in weight loss. Due to its metabolism-boosting properties, sea moss can aid in effective weight loss. 5. Achieve a leaner physique. If your goal is a healthier, leaner body, sea moss could be your ideal weight loss partner. But wait, there's more. You may be asking, what more could this marine marvel possibly bring to the table? Well, tighten your seatbelts because our journey has just begun. 1. First and foremost, sea moss is a thyroid health wonder. With its rich iodine content, it's essential for a well-functioning thyroid. So if you're struggling with thyroid problems, this aquatic ally might be the solution you've been seeking. 2. Secondly, when it comes to fertility, traditional uses of sea moss have hailed it as a natural fertility amplifier. Its high zinc content indeed plays an instrumental role in promoting reproductive health. Thirdly, have you ever experienced that mid-afternoon energy dip? Sea moss could become your new go-to remedy. Loaded with B vitamins, known for their significant role in energy production, it serves as a fantastic natural energy booster. Lastly, sea moss is also quite the culinary chameleon, effortlessly melding into smoothies, soups, and even desserts, delivering a nutrient bomb without changing the flavor. Indeed, the benefits of sea moss are extensive and numerous. Still in awe of the prowess of sea moss? Let's quickly enumerate what we've comprehended. This superfood functions as a fantastic immune booster, combating infections and reinforcing your body's innate defenses. 2. Sea moss acts as a digestion aid, fostering gut health and nutrient absorption. 3. It's a promoter of skin health, augmenting your natural radiance. 4. Moss serves as a mental health enhancer, backing brain function and mood stability. And not to be overlooked, it aids significantly in weight loss. With these 5 key benefits, it's evident that sea moss is an arsenal of nutrition. Ready to harness the power of sea moss? Imagine the surge of vitality you'll feel when this superfood becomes part of your daily routine. But remember, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant dietary changes. They can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique needs and health goals. So, what are you waiting for? Embrace the remarkable benefits of sea moss. Click the link in the bio to learn more about sea moss and start your journey towards a healthier lifestyle.